Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 9.3. Question number 3 says find the product, and they have given us 4 parts. First 2 parts I have already written. So let us solve. How we can solve? Here it is monomial into monomial into monomial. So what we will do? For multiplying the monomials, 3 monomials, we will multiply their coefficients first. For coefficient of a square is 1, multiply by coefficient of a raised to power 22 is 2, multiply by coefficient of a raised to power 26 is 4, and then we will multiply all the variable parts, that is a square, a raised to power 22, a raised to power 26. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, it will be 8 only. Now since the base are same, we have seen that in laws of exponent, that base are same, you will add the powers, that is a raised to power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So we will get 8 a raised to power 48 plus 2, that is 8 a raised to power 50. This is our answer. Coming to part 2, again we will multiply 2 monomials. So we will take the numerical portion first. 2 multiply by 2 by 3 into minus 9 divided by 10, then multiply the variable parts, x into x square, and then finally y square. Minus into plus will be minus, 9 2s are 18, divided by 3 10s are 30. X base are same, so we will add powers. Power of x is 1 and square, so we will get x raised to power 3 and y raised to power 2. I can see both of them goes in 6 table, so I will write 6 3s are 18 and 6 5s are 30. So I will get minus 3 divided by 5, x raised to power 3, y raised to power 2. Moving to third part, let me first write it down, both the parts. Again the third part is monomial into monomial, so we will take the numerical part and multiply them in one bracket, and the variable part, but we will place variable having same base, that is p raised to power 1 and p raised to power cube in one bracket, and then q cube into q. So we will get minus into plus minus, 10 6 is 60, 3 5 is 15. P raised to power 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4, and q raised to power 4. I can cut 15 and 16, 15 and 60, so 15 1s are 15 and 15 4s are, that is minus 4. P raised to power 4, q raised to power 4, which is eventually minus 4 p raised to power 4 and q raised to power 4. This is our answer. Now moving to fifth part. Here it is very easy, since all the bases are same, so I will write x and then add the powers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If there is no power, it is 1. So we will get our answer, x raised to power 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. This is our answer, x raised to power 10. Now let me write question number 4 first. So question number 4 is having 2 parts, part A and B. In part A, they told us to simplify this expression. Once we simplify this, we have to find the value for x is equal to 3. That means if you simplify, then put the value wherever it is x, you will put 3, and then for next you will put 1 by 2. So let us proceed. What we will do, they have told us to simplify, so first we will simplify this portion. 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. When I simplify it, I will get 3x into 4x in one bracket minus 3x into 5 in another bracket and plus 3 as it is. Moving further, we will get 3 4s are 12 x square minus 3 5s are 15x plus 3. So we have got this answer on simplification. We can't move further because they are unlike terms. Now I will write for x is equal to 3. We will put the value of x in this situation. So we will get, therefore 12, here it is x square, so we will write 3 square. Instead of x I have written 3, so x square, so it is 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3 square is 9 minus 15 3s is 45 plus 3. 12 9s is 108 minus 45 plus 3. So we will get 108 plus 3 is 111, 111 minus 45. I will cancel out 111 minus 45. It will give me 66. So this is our value. Now moving for second. For x is equal to 1 by 2 now. Therefore 12 into 1 by 2 square, because instead of x we have written 1 by 2, minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So we will get 12 into 1. When we open the bracket, we will multiply, we will square 1, that is 1 1 is 1, divide by 2 2 is 4 minus 15 1 is 15, divide by 2 plus 3. Now I can cancel out this one, 4 1s and 4 3s. So I will get 3 1s 3 minus 15 divide by 2 plus 3. So what I will do, I will add these two. I will get 6 minus 15 divided by 2. Now taking LCM, LCM is 2. Here we don't have 2, so we will multiply 1 by 2. So above also multiply by 2. So we will get 6 2s are 12 minus 15 divided by 2. 12 minus 15 12 minus 15 will give me minus 3 divided by 2. This is our answer. So hope you have understood part A. Now moving to part B. First let me write it down. So part B is somewhat similar to part A. So we will solve. Again they have told us simplify this and then find the value of A. So we will do as we have done part A. So A multiply by A square plus A plus 1 and then plus 5 will give me A into A square will be A cube plus A into A will be A square plus A 1 is A and then plus 5. This is our simplification. Now first part says for A is equal to 0. So we will get for a is equal to 0, wherever there is a, we will put 0. 0 raised to power 3 plus 0 raised to power 2 plus 0 plus 5. 0 raised to cube will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. So our answer will be 5. Second part says for a is equal to 1. So let us put for a is equal to 1, wherever there is a, we will put 1. So 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 5. 1 raised to power anything will be 1. So this will also be 1 plus 1 and then lastly plus 5. So 5, 6, 7 and 8 is our answer. Moving to third. For a is equal to minus 1. Let us put, wherever there is a, we will put minus 1 raised to power 3 plus minus 1 raised to power 2 plus minus 1 and even lastly plus 5. Minus, if it is minus and the power is odd, so it will remain minus only. Now 1 cube will be 1 plus, if the number is minus and its power is even number, so we will get the answer in plus. So 1 square will be 1, plus into minus will give me minus 1 and then lastly 5. Here you can see minus 1 and this plus 1 will cancel out. Minus 1 plus 5 will give me plus 4. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood all the two parts, that is part A and B of question number 4 and also question number 3. We will meet with new question in new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.